or this is the given differential equation. Okay? So, wag mo nang galawin yung sin x dx. Dito, wag mo nang galawin to. Ang gusto mo mawala dito yung cosine. So, divide this by cosine x. Dapat divide mo rin to by cosine x. Okay. Pero dapat mawala yung sin y. So, divide mo to by sin y. Dapat divide mo to by sin y. And take note what happens now. Magka-cancel yung what? Yung sin y. So, ang matitira sin x over cosine, which is tangent. Tama ba?
Yes, sir.
Yes po.
Dito magka-cancel yung cosine x, so ang matitira cosine y over sin y, which is cotangent. Tama.
Yes po.
Yes po.
And therefore, the integral of tangent is ln secant. The integral of cotangent is ln sine. Or pwede rin siyang negative ln cosecant. Pareho lang yan. Ito pwede mong isulat na ln of c. Okay, pwede yan. So kung kunyari ito, isusulat mo ln of c. Okay, therefore it follows that this one is equal to this. Ito yun. Nakuha guys?